Can you survive these 44 toxic questions? Only a genius clears the final round of this extreme survival test. If an animal injects toxins into you through a bite or a sting, what is it called? Is it A, poisonous, B, venomous, or C, acidic? It's B, venomous. Venom must be injected directly. What sharp body part does a honeybee use to inject its venom? Is it A, antenna, B, stinger, or C, fang? It's B, stinger. Bees use a barbed stinger. Where is a scorpion's venomous stinger located? Is it A, on its tail, B, on its claws, or C, under its head? It's A, on its tail. The stinger sits on the tip. How does a colorful poison dart frog deliver its deadly toxins? Is it A, through its skin, B, with sharp fangs, or C, by spitting? It's A, through its skin. They secrete toxins through skin. Which famous snake can flare out its neck and defense spray its venom directly into eyes? Is it A, spitting cobra, B, garden snake, or C, boa constrictor? It's A, spitting cobra. They spray venom into eyes. Which toxic sea creature inflates like a balloon to scare away predators? Is it A, starfish, B, clownfish, or C, pufferfish? It's C, pufferfish. They are highly poisonous to eat. What ocean creature uses thousands of tiny stinging cells on its tentacles to catch prey? Is it A, octopus, B, jellyfish, or C, sea star? It's B, jellyfish. Stinging cells cover their tentacles. How does a rattlesnake warn predators before using its venomous bite? Is it A, shaking its tail, B, flashing bright colors, or C, making a loud hiss? It's A, shaking its tail. They shake hollow tail segments. What is the only venomous lizard native to the United States? Is it A, chameleon, B, Gila monster, or C, green iguana? It's B, Gila monster. They have a venomous bite. Why are bright orange monarch butterflies poisonous to birds? Is it A, they eat milkweed, B, they absorb acid rain, or C, they make it themselves? It's A, they eat milkweed. They store the plant's poison. Unlike honeybees, what are yellow jacket wasps able to do when they defend themselves? Is it A, sting multiple times, B, shoot venom from wings, or C, lose their stinger? It's A, sting multiple times. Their smooth stingers slip out. Which unusual, egg-laying mammal has venomous spurs on its hind legs? Is it A, echidna, B, platypus, or C, opossum? It's B, platypus. Males have sharp ankle spurs. Which tiny, beautiful ocean creature glows with rings when threatened and has a deadly bite? Is it A, blue-ringed octopus, B, box jellyfish, or C, mantis shrimp? It's A, blue-ringed octopus. Their warning rings flash blue. What giant, heavy lizard uses venomous saliva to help bring down large prey? Is it A, alligator, B, Komodo dragon, or C, monitor lizard? It's B, Komodo dragon. Venom glands prevent blood clotting. What red shape is famously found on the underside of a female black widow spider? Is it A, an hourglass, B, a circle, or C, a skull? It's A, an hourglass. It marks their black abdomen. How do pit vipers locate warm-blooded prey in total darkness to strike with venom? Is it A, through echolocation, B, using heat-sensing pits, or C, with glowing eyes? It's B, using heat-sensing pits. They sense animal heat signatures. Which beautiful striped ocean fish has venomous spines along its back? Is it A, lionfish, B, tigerfish, or C, clownfish? It's A, lionfish. Showy back spines carry venom. What is the only known venomous primate in the entire world? Is it A, chimpanzee, B, slow loris, or C, ring-tailed lemur? It's B, slow loris. Saliva mixes with arm secretions. Where do invasive cane toads store the milky poison they use to defend themselves? Is it A, glands behind their eyes, B, under their webbed feet, or C, inside their tongue? It's A, glands behind their eyes. Parotid glands secrete the fluid. What multi-legged forest creature hunts using venomous claws located near its mouth? Is it A, millipede, B, centipede, or C, caterpillar? It's B, centipede. Modified front legs act like fangs. Which extremely well-camouflaged fish is known as the most venomous fish in the world? Is it A, stonefish, B, flounder, or C, anglerfish? It's A, stonefish. They look exactly like rocks. What is the biological term for bright warning colors used by toxic animals? Is it A, aposematism, B, photosynthesis, or C, camouflage? It's A, aposematism. Bright colors warn off predators. Which marine animal is considered to have some of the fastest-acting venom on Earth? Is it A, sea snake, B, box jellyfish, or C, stingray? It's B, box jellyfish. Their venom stuns prey instantly. Which tiny, fierce mammal uses venomous saliva to paralyze earthworms and snails? Is it A, mole, B, short-tailed shrew, or C, harvest mouse? It's B, short-tailed shrew. Paralyzing saliva keeps prey fresh. Which colorful New Guinea bird carries poison in its skin and feathers? Is it A, hooded pitahui, B, sunbird, or C, paradise flycatcher? It's A, hooded pitahui. Neurotoxins coat their feathers. What slow-moving sea creature shoots a venomous, tooth-like harpoon to catch fish? Is it A, cone snail, B, hermit crab, or C, sea slug? It's A, cone snail. They hunt with modified teeth. How do vipers store their long, venomous fangs when their mouth is closed? Is it A, they shed them, B, they fold back, or C, they slide sideways? It's B, they fold back. Hinged fangs rest against the roof. What does the assassin bug do to its prey after injecting its toxic saliva? Is it A, liquefies the insides, B, turns them purple, or C, freezes them solid? It's A, liquefies the insides. They suck out the liquid. What plant-like sea creature uses stinging cells to protect clownfish and catch food? Is it A, coral reef, B, kelp forest, or C, sea anemone? It's C, sea anemone. Stinging tentacles paralyze passing prey. Which North American amphibian is so toxic that eating it can be fatal to predators? Is it A, bullfrog, B, rough-skinned newt, or C, spotted salamander. It's B, rough-skinned newt. They produce deadly tetrodotoxin. How is life-saving antivenom traditionally created in laboratories? Is it A, using donor antibodies, B, boiling plant roots, or C, synthesizing sea salt? It's A, using donor antibodies. They harvest antibodies from donors. What salivary chemical allows vampire bats to keep their prey's blood flowing? Is it A, an anticoagulant, B, a strong acid, or C, a paralyzer? It's A, an anticoagulant. It prevents blood from clotting. What does the giant tarantula hawk wasp do to tarantulas with its painful sting? Is it A, paralyzes them, B, dissolves their shell, or C, eats them instantly? It's A, paralyzes them. They save them for larvae. How do colorful Spanish dancer sea slugs acquire their chemical defenses? Is it A, eating toxic sponges, B, producing it in lungs, or C, absorbing sunshine? It's A, eating toxic sponges. They steal toxins from food. How do some wild hedgehogs coat their spines in toxic defenses? Is it A, licking toxic toad skin, B, rolling in poisonous ivy, or C, rubbing against oak trees? It's A, licking toxic toad skin. They lick spit onto spines. What is the purpose of the European mole's paralyzing toxic saliva? Is it A, digging through clay, B, storing live earthworms, or C, marking territory? It's B, storing live earthworms. Paralyzed worms stay fresh. The rare solenodon mammal injects venom using grooves in which teeth? Is it A, lower incisors, B, upper canines, or C, back molars? It's A, lower incisors. Grooves sit in second incisors. What boiling hot chemical mixture does the bombardier beetle spray when threatened? Is it A, benzoquinones, B, sulfuric acid, or C, hydrochloric acid? It's A, benzoquinones. An explosive chemical reaction occurs. Which hormone does the geography cone snail release into the water to pacify schools of fish? Is it A, insulin, B, adrenaline, or C, melatonin? It's A, insulin. It causes hypoglycemic shock. Unlike front-fanged vipers, how must the rear-fanged false water cobra deliver its venom? Is it A, by chewing it in, B, by spitting it, or C, by tail whipping? It's A, by chewing it in. They chew to channel venom. Which highly toxic sea urchin uses small flower-like pincers to deliver its venom? Is it A, flower urchin, B, slate pencil urchin, or C, purple sea urchin? It's A, flower urchin. Pincers act as venomous grabbers. From what specific glands does the slow loris secrete its toxic oil before mixing it with saliva? Is it A, brachial glands, B, temporal glands, or C, salivary glands? It's A, brachial glands. Glands sit near their elbows. What defense chemical do blister beetles secrete that causes severe skin bubbling? Is it A, cantharidin, B, formic acid, or C, oxalic acid? It's A, cantharidin. It causes painful skin blisters. What insect is the primary diet source of the toxic batrachotoxins found in pitohui birds? Is it A, coracine beetles, B, harvester ants, or C, Termites. It's A. Chore sign beetles. Eating beetles makes them toxic. How many toxic trials did you survive? Tell us your score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more wild adventures.